You're young, you feel fine. So why worry about health now, right? Well, your 20s are the foundation for the rest of your life. And some habits you're doing today could silently damage your body tomorrow. Let's look at 5 common habits most young people don't even realize are harmful, and how to fix them before it's too late. 1. Not getting enough sleep. Scrolling on your phone till 3 a.m., binge-watching one more episode. We've all been there. But if you sleep less than 6 to 7 hours regularly, your body suffers more than you think. Lack of sleep affects your brain, mood, skin, and even your immune system. And no, energy drinks and coffee won't fix it. Try this. Set a fixed bedtime. Avoid screens 30 minutes before sleep. And yes, your body will thank you later. 2. Eating too much. Junk food. Instant noodles, chips, soda, burgers. It's easy, cheap, and tastes good. But over time, these foods can increase belly fat, mess with your hormones, and even trigger anxiety and acne. You don't have to stop eating them forever. Just reduce how often. Swap one junk meal a day with something real. Fruits, nuts, eggs, oats. Simple, but powerful. Start small. Even one healthy change can make a big difference. 3. Sitting too much. Do you sit for hours at school, college, or while gaming? Sitting too much slows your metabolism, tightens your muscles, and can even affect your mood. Try this. For every 1 hour you sit, stand, or walk for 5 minutes. Stretch your arms, move your neck, take the stairs. Movement is not just for gym people. It's for everyone who wants to feel better every day. 4. Ignoring mental health. Feeling stressed, anxious, or sad and just ignoring it. That's like having a wound and never cleaning it. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Talk to someone, a friend, family, or a counselor. Don't keep everything inside. Try writing a journal, meditating for 5 minutes, or even going for a walk without your phone. Your mind needs rest, too. 5. Drinking too little water. Sounds simple, but most young people don't drink enough water. Your body is 70% water. And when you're dehydrated, you feel tired, lose focus, and your skin can suffer too. Keep a water bottle with you. Drink a glass after waking up, 1 before meals, and 1 before bed. Easy rule, 6 to 8 glasses a day. Wrap up. These 5 habits might seem small now, but they shape your future. Start fixing one today. Sleep a bit better, eat a bit cleaner, move a bit more. Your future self will be proud of you. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more real, simple health tips.